There are numerous types of accidents that can cause scarring and cosmetic injuries. You can sustain a significant disfigurement as a result of a car accident, as a result of a fall. But we get a lot of cases of people who have been significantly disfigured as a result of cosmetic procedures, as a result of laser hair removal, as a result of waxing, as a result of getting facials. People have their faces or body parts burned. Most people have been scarred or sustained a cosmetic injury, have sustained a permanent injury. These injuries could be severe, and there is very little that can be done in order to treat them. Sometimes the only remedy available is plastic surgery. Sometimes even plastic surgery won't help. When someone has sustained a cosmetic injury or a significant disfigurement, they are scared because they don't know what their future will be. They don't know if this will get better, if it will get worse, if they're going to have to live with this the rest of their life or not. They don't know what treatments or remedies are available to them in order to attempt to make it better. And most of them have never been involved in a lawsuit before. So they are scared of the unknown. They are angry that this has occurred. They are usually now self-conscious because now they have this disfigurement that they are not happy with and that has affected their lives. And a lot of them are even sad and depressed as a result of it. Types of damages available to victims of scarring and cosmetic injuries are their pain and suffering, their future pain and suffering, their out-of-pocket medical expenses, their future out-of-pocket medical expenses, any lost wages that have occurred as a result of these injuries, any lost wages that will occur in the future as a result of their cosmetic injuries or their scarring, such as future medical expenses, future lost wages if they're going to miss time from work, if there are any things that they had to do to make accommodations to make their lifestyle easier or better, that's available. And just generally anything that they've had to spend out of their own pocket as a result of this horrific situation. This firm has represented victims of cosmetic injuries and scarring for over 25 years. The attorneys in this firm have over 100 years combined experience in representing the victims of scarring and significant disfigurement and cosmetic injuries. We've settled cases prior to going to trial. We have gone to trial on these cases and been successful. And ultimately, we do our best to get our clients the best recovery that we can. Clients come to us in several ways. A lot of clients are referred by their friends or people they know. A lot of clients come to us because they are referred by other attorneys, and a lot of clients find us online. However they come to us, the reason they hire us is because of our experience. We are responsive, we make them feel comfortable, and we gain their trust. Our current and our past clients would say our firm fights hard. We fight hard from the beginning. We keep them informed throughout the process. We are responsive to their needs. When they call or they email, we get back to them immediately. And when they call the office, they will always speak to a live person. And I find a lot of people appreciate that as opposed to having to dial in through voicemail. Client communication, especially in personal injury cases, is essential. And it is the key to succeeding in any one of these cases and every one of these cases. Because in order for us to succeed in doing our job, the client has to know what's going on. The client has to know what's expected of them. And we do that. We tell the clients from the initial intake what the process is, what we expect of them, and what they should expect from us. The Rizzuto Law Firm is a small firm, but we're not a solo firm. We have several attorneys that work here. All the attorneys are capable of handling cases from intake through trial. We've all tried cases. We're all capable of trying cases, and the insurance companies know that we are a litigation firm and we will go to trial if we're not presented with a fair offer. The advantage of hiring a firm like us is every person in the firm, whether it's the support staff or the attorneys, is virtually familiar with every case that's in our office. We have a case management system that we can all access in order to answer any questions if a client calls and the person who is assigned to the file is unavailable. One other main advantage of hiring our firm and a firm of this size, but specifically our firm, is that our staff has worked together for a long time. We've had attorneys here for over 20 years that started when they were in law school. We've had support staff that have been here 15, 20, and over 25 years. When someone comes to us for an initial consultation, we walk them through the process from intake up until a resolution. We explain to them what will happen every step of the way. We explain to them what we need from them in order to move their case quickly and to get them as much of a recovery as we can. We explain to them what they can expect from us and what they should do in order to make their case as successful as possible.